Hi guys, Mab here. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Mab and I do anything and everything DIY. So if that's your thing, then don't forget to smash the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you will be the first to know the moment I upload a new video. And for today's video, we will be doing Valak, who is the nun from the movie Conjuring 2. And it's gonna be quick, easy, and scary. We're just gonna be needing black and white face paint as well as black and white costume. If you can get a nun costume already like store-bought, that would be great. If not, I'll show you later how to DIY it. And if you'd like to see how that goes, then keep on watching. So first off is get your white t-shirt plain on the front and the back preferably. But if you don't have one like this one, it's printed in the front side of it, just get it onto your head with the back going to your front. And it's gonna look like this. It's gonna look stupid for now, but you get the idea, It's gonna be like that. And then since we're still gonna be putting on some makeup, I'm gonna pull that down as of now. Now, of course, first step is we're gonna get a glue stick and flatten our eyebrows. If you have the purple Elmer's glue stick just like this, that would be best. Then we're gonna be using here Dr. Sensitive's All Day No Sebum Blur Powder. It's basically a translucent powder, and I'm gonna apply that over my eyebrows. Brush off the excess. Now it's time to get your face paint and beauty blender, and if you'd have to apply it for like 2 or 3 times depending on the opacity that you want, go for it. Now, I'm done with that. I did 2 layers, and what I'm just gonna do now is get an eyeshadow brush, just like this. And then apply a black face paint on my eyes as well as my mouth. But take note that it must not have any harsh lines in it. It's like more of a smudge thing. Now you can do it like this, covering your whole eyebrows. But of course, if you can cover your eyebrows and really make that disappear, make that white, don't go over up to your eyebrows. Now, you can see the difference if you cover your eyebrows with black and then the one if you don't. And then of course what we're gonna do is just smudge the outer corner of the black eye bags. Now, take note that her lips are dropping down to the sides. Now we're pretty much done with the eyes and the nose. The eyes and the mouth. We're gonna go to the nose, and we're just gonna create a fake crooked skinny nose. So I just have here an eyeshadow brush and a dry, nothing in it, round brush to blend off the edges to make sure that there's no harsh lines in it. And what we're doing basically is creating a fake flared nose, really skinny crooked nose. And we're gonna try to make it as close to her nose without using any prosthetics or fake nose. Now we're gonna leave the nose like that for now and just gonna do some polishing later on. But as you can see, what I'm trying to do is create a skinny nose, flared right here on the nostrils, and then curving like this, because she's really got a really thin crooked nose. And then so we can envision that more before we get to the polishing later on, or any retouch that we have to do, is I'm gonna get the thinnest brush that I have right here and create the black veins, which are pretty much specific spots. So you really have to have a reference picture from the movie, and I'm gonna try my best to make it as accurate as I can. So what I'm gonna do to create a fine line, really fine line, is I'm going to dip in both sides of my really small eyeshadow brush, as it looks like, I don't know what you call it, and then scrape that on the sides. Or if you have a really thin eyeliner brush, that will work too. Or a pen brush, I think it's what you call it, not sure, but anyway, you get it. So our first vein we're gonna take care of is on her left eye. There's that. Relax if the line is too harsh, because we can smudge that later on. We just have to take care first on where the veins are placed. And then on her right eye, see how ugly that is when the line is too harsh, so we're really gonna smudge that later on. And then left eye, it's like coming from her crease. Like crow's feet, which is weird, so that means she smiles a lot before she died. If you make a mistake like this, just get your white beauty blender and then go over that part again. See? Left nose. And then a fine smile line on the right side. From here inwards, then down. Now, what I'm gonna do is just smudge these lines. Now I'm good with the veins. It's not as harsh as it was earlier, and I have already set my eyes and my lips with a black eyeshadow and just pat it all over everything that's gonna crease. And I have here like a contour brush to create a skinny oval face, the one that she has, and dip that really lightly on the on a black eyeshadow and just build it up as you go. Now we're just gonna do some finishing touches wherein the white parts are not really white, it's like more of dirty white with black speckles in it. So that's exactly what we're gonna try to do with still the contour brush. And since my black eyeshadow is not pigmented, that's really helping right now, and I'm not being sarcastic about it. But since it's going on really light, I can definitely build it up as I go and check it out. And just pat that over for like a dirty speckled black speckled white. But it's not gray, you know, it's just dirty. You don't really have to mind your forehead because that's not gonna show off anyway. Because once you put your t-shirt on and then the white pillowcase, this is gonna be covered anyway, so that's okay. I want to define her nose more. Let's see. Now I'm going to add a few extra lines on my legit frown lines, so when you make a pose, it's gonna look more creepy, especially that it's the real lines that you have. So frown really hard and then emphasize your wrinkles, especially the ones on your nose, with a really light hand though. Don't create two parallel lines on your face. I think I want more dimension and like more speckles, so instead of dipping my fluffiest small brush on a black eyeshadow, I'll try dipping it in on black face paint, like really lightly. Now I think I'm good with that. I'm just gonna put this t-shirt over my face and then get the white pillowcase, pin that over my head, and then get a black bed sheet, just like that. And of course, put on some contacts and blood on my teeth. And there you have it. We're all good. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate that. And if you did like the video, enjoyed it, or at least learned something from it, please don't forget to hit on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so you will be the first to know the moment I upload a new video. And as always, if you have any comments, questions on what we did, or suggestions, please feel free to put them all down below or hit me up on Instagram at it's me, MavMav. You now have a good one. I'll see you in our next video. Thank you so much again for watching. Take care. Bye-bye. And if you did like the video and the video, tanga.